Good day, everyone, and welcome to Sir TLE Let Review. So, it is our eighth session for our review and preparation for the upcoming March 2026 licensure examination for teachers. So, before we start, please like the video and subscribe. So, first question. Which of these, excuse me, which of these is a tool used to put in crosshead screws? A. Phillips head screwdriver. B. Flat head screw. C. Architect ruler. Or letter D. Ball pen hammer. What is your answer? So I'm on the question is looking for a tool used to put in screw head screws. So are you familiar with a screw? So a screw is looks like this. So it has a spiral thing in here so that we can drive it. So among the choices, uh, letter A is only the screwdriver. So our answer for this first question is letter A. Letter A. Why is it that B, C, and D is a wrong answer? Because letter B, flat head screw, is not a screwdriver. It is a screw. Okay, it is a screw. So take note on that. So a flat head screw, if we look it on a top view, so this is the top view of the screw. A flat head screw looks like this. It has a negative sign. Okay, so if the question is looking for a tool that you need to use in order to put in a flathead screw, you answer flathead screwdriver. Okay, so this is not the answer. Letter C, architect ruler. So it's not a, it is a tool used for measuring and scaling. Okay, so the architect ruler is used only for layout, measurement, scale drawing, not for fastening. So this is not the answer. Next, ball pen hammer. So a ball pen hammer is a hammer that is used for metal working tasks such as shaping metal, riveting, or striking chisels. So this is not the answer. So the answer is letter A. Phillips head screwdriver. So this is used to put in crosshead screws. So a crosshead screws looks like this in the top view. It has a cruciform or cross shape. Okay, so this is A. For this one, what is this? This is a cross head screw, and this one is flat head screw. So the answer for the first question is letter A, Phillips head screwdriver. Second question. Architectural drawings are not drawn full size, which is used to allow the building views to be drawn on a smaller paper. A. Measuring tape. B. Scale. C. Ruler. Or letter D. Pencil. What is your answer? Mm. Okay, so the question is looking for a tool that allows the building views to be drawn on a smaller paper. Imagine if you will lay out a house. Example, you will lay out a house. I think this is not a house. Okay. Okay, this is a house. And and normal size of a Persia is smaller than a house. So imagine if you will draw the entire house, it will consume time. It is time consuming, okay? So in order for you to visualize your plan, you need to draw uh, or you need to lay out in a smaller paper. So scaling is very vital because it and because we need to have an accurate measurement. Okay. So what is your answer? So measuring tape is not the answer because measuring tape is used to measure actual or real world dimensions on sites. Okay. Measuring tape or a they call this correct me if I'm wrong, pull push rule. Okay, so okay, so pull push rule or measuring tape. So it's not the answer. So ruler, no, is that also the answer? Because a ruler is mainly for drawing straight lines and basic measurement, not for proportional reduction. Pencil also is wrong. So a pencil is a drawing instrument. Okay, so the answer for this question is letter B. So a scale, uh, this tool allows you to draw large objects such as buildings to be represented proportionally on smaller paper sizes. So in architectural drawings, use standard scales such as 1 is to 100, 1 is to 50, or 1 is to 200 so that the plans, elevations, and sections maintain accurate proportions while fitting on drawing sheets. Okay, so the answer for this question is letter B, scale. No, sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. So last question. I thought that was the number one. So which of the following, last question, which of the following does the term plumb refer to? A, letter A, horizontal plane. B, both A and C. C, vertical plane. Or D, none of these or none of the above. Okay, so plumb. What is a plumb among the choices? So we will eliminate letter B and letter D. So we have a 25% chances of uh, to have our correct answer. Okay, is it the horizontal plane? So the horizontal plane, or uh, in architecture, it calls level. So as the question is looking for the level, the term level refer to, it is the horizontal plane. Okay, so the horizontal alignment is level, not plumb. So the answer for this question is letter C, vertical plane. So plumb means vertical. So what is the difference between the two? Plumb versus level. So the plumb is vertical. So this is a plumb, and the level is horizontal. So I hope you've learned a lot, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Goodbye.